These are the Pamu Slide Mini earbuds. So far, they are my favorite earbuds. Let's take a closer look. The Pamu Slide Mini come in 4 different colors. The white ones here, what I have, you could get black, pink or green. I will leave a link in the description box below if you're interested in picking these up. Inside the box, you get a Type-C charging cable. You get a drawstring bag that's got Pamu branding on it. You get an instruction manual that's in loads of different languages. You get some extra ear tips and a card there that gives you a handy guide. So small plus right up to large and large plus. So you'll definitely get the right ear tips there. Onto the case, some Pamu branding there. And the first thing you notice how compact the case is. It's nice and small. I mean, I have small hands and look at that, I could get it into my hand. So you won't have any problem fitting this in your jeans pocket or your bag. It's got some lights there which indicate how much power you've got left. They go up by 25 to 100. The back, it's got a Type-C charging port. The case itself has a 400 milliamp hour battery. It takes 2 hours to fully charge and it will give you 30 hours of charge. Beauty about this case, it also supports wireless charging. So any generic charger, like I have a normal charger, it's not branded or anything, pop it on there and it starts charging. When I've opened the case, you could see they both lit up red. They auto connect to your phone, so they're looking for my phone now to connect to it. The other thing I forgot to mention, the case is magnetic. So as you can see there, if I open that now, push them down, they won't fall out, which is a good thing. Let me just take them out. You can see you've got some connector points in there. The buds, so they are a stem cell design, some Pamu brand in there. Got some grey. Then they've got your microphones there. It's got 2 microphones. It's got one at the top and one at the bottom on both sides. If you turn them over, you've got some connector points there, and then they've got some L and R and some tips pre-applied. And if you notice, the size on these are a lot bigger than the normal ones because they fit in the ear really well, and that's the reason they give a good bass. The earbuds are powered by the Qualcomm chip. They have Bluetooth 5.0. Thanks to Bluetooth 5.0, they pair really fast. They have 6mm drivers. They are touch control, both of them from there. You can control your music and activate Siri or Google. They are IPX6 water and sweat proof. The earbuds give you 10 hours of playtime. If you're in a hurry, a quick 5-minute charge will give you an hour runtime. They are nice and light, they're not heavy, so they're good for jogging. The way these earbuds are designed, because they're thicker from that side, they do fit in the ear nice and snug, which helps keep other sound around you out. Just be careful when you're near cars. They are really comfortable. I'm talking straight 2.5 hours, no pain in my ears at all. Even when jogging on uneven surfaces, they don't fall out. Well, in our testing they didn't. I'm surprised the amount of bass these things throw out, because normally in earbuds of a smaller size, you can't really expect a lot of bass out of them because the way they're designed. But thanks to the way these are made, they're thicker from the ends over there, they do give you nice bass, and audio quality is nice and crisp. There's no clipping. You can really tell the mids from the highs. I've also taken phone calls with these. The other person could hear me, I could hear them. I've also watched videos. There's no issue with audio video sync. That again is thanks to the Qualcomm chip and Bluetooth 5.0. I also own a pair of Apple AirPods. I'm not comparing them both together, but one thing I will say, these for the price deliver a lot better bass than my Apple AirPods do, and they cost a lot more. In my testing, I've absolutely enjoyed them. They're a pleasurable experience to listen to these. Battery life is amazing. Admittedly, I did not get full 10 hours. I managed to get about 8.5, 9 hours. But then again, it depends how loud you're listening to the music. I've also enjoyed listening to podcasts with these as well. They've been absolutely perfect. Overall, I think it's a fantastic piece of kit. If you are in the market for some earbuds at a good price, I will highly recommend these. I will leave a link in the description box below. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you all in my next video.